we're here to take a look at one of the most interesting items.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
That has recently been sold, a 1971 new 1-penny coin. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about a penny? Well, this particular penny is unique because it was never released into circulation. It was part of a trial batch of coins that was created by the Royal Mint in 1971, and only a handful of them exist today. As you can see, this coin is in impeccable condition. It's almost as if it was just minted yesterday, and that's because it was stored in a private collection for over 50 years. So, how much is this coin worth? Well, at the recent Heritage Auction sale, it sold for a whopping £82,000, or roughly $113,000 USD. That's a pretty penny, indeed. This 1971 new 1-penny coin is a testament to the enduring value and fascination of rare coins. This cost $7,800, a coin that was tossed I'm not sure how many individuals' hands before anyone observed. Something was wrong with it, so I kept it. They were later offered separately, other day for $780. This is the kind of stuff that costs money, men. When it comes to it, I become really thrilled. To coin collecting and rare coin seeking. Now I'm going to tell you exactly what I mean by coins. But first, what to look for on this coin. Press the subscribe button and, so you don't miss anything, use the notification bell. So let's watch some crucial videos like this. It's critical to get started right away. Recognize that all Jefferson nickels, occurred in 1995 with D-Mint mark, were supposed to be produced on a silver alloy planchette in order to save copper and nickel for future use. The issue was now the war effort. There were some 1995 planchettes unintentionally left over and unintentionally fed into the presses in 1995D. So, know what to look for. It will be. It is extremely clear how this appears on your 1995 with D-Mint mark Jefferson nickel research, and you should bookmark this video since you don't want to miss it. To overlook this minor element that someone picked up the phone and spotted you. PCGS developed this one as an example that just indicates that this one was out, going through people's hands before someone who knew what to do, searching for this coin and had a good time. Such a wonderful little payout of 7,800 men. Find out whether you want additional hints and tips. Below is a fully free book that extends across the coin handling gradient.
The UK 1 new penny coin was minted from 1971 to 1981. It features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, and on the reverse, we have a crown portcullis, which is a symbol associated with the Palace of Westminster. The introduction of decimalization in 1971 led to the minting of this new penny coin, which replaced the old penny. The new penny was made from bronze until 1992, when it transitioned to a copper-plated steel composition. The 1980 coin we have here today is made of bronze. Now, let's discuss the value of this 1980 UK 1 new penny coin. To determine its worth, we turn to the experts at the recent Heritage Auction. At the recent Heritage Auction, the 1980 UK 1 new penny coin in excellent condition was sold for an impressive £5,000, $65,000. It's essential to note that the value of coins can vary based on their condition, rarity, and demand among collectors.
The 1943 P. Jefferson nickel is unique because it was minted during World War II, a time when the United States faced a shortage of nickel due to its strategic importance in the war effort. To conserve the metal, the U.S. Mint made a bold decision. Now, let's talk about the recent Heritage Auction that generated quite a buzz in the coin collecting community. During this auction, a rare and pristine condition 5 cents 1943 P. Jefferson nickel coin was up for bidding. This particular coin was graded as M67, which signifies an almost flawless condition. As expected, collectors from around the world were eager to add this piece to their collections. The final bidding price for this 1943 P. Jefferson nickel was a staggering $2 million. Yes, you heard it right, $2 million for a single coin. This remarkable price showcases the rarity and desirability of this coin among passionate collectors. Now, let's discuss the factors that contribute to the value of a 1943 P. Jefferson nickel. First and foremost, its rarity. With the altered composition and limited production during a critical period in history, finding a well-preserved coin like this is a challenge in itself. Secondly, the condition of the coin plays a significant role. Higher-grade coins are more sought after, as they exhibit minimal wear, a sharp strike, and excellent eye appeal. The 67 grade achieved by the coin in the Heritage Auction is considered exceptional. Now, keep in mind that not every 1943 P. Jefferson nickel is worth a fortune. In fact, most are valued at a few dollars. The exceptional value achieved in the recent auction was due to the rare combination of its condition, rarity, and the demand from passionate collectors. And there you have it, folks, story behind the 5-cent 1943 P. Jefferson nickel coin and its remarkable value at the Heritage Auction.
The 1950 for UK 1 shilling coin had a mintage of around 88 million, making it relatively common. However, finding one in excellent condition can significantly increase its value. So, how much could this coin be worth? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, a 1950 for UK 1 shilling coin in average circulated condition might fetch around £1,000 to £3,000, while one in excellent uncirculated condition could go for £50,000 or more. Remember, these values can fluctuate based on the market. What makes coin collecting exciting is the connection to history and the stories behind each piece. Collectors value coins like the 1950 for UK 1 shilling not just for their monetary worth, but also for their cultural significance.
This coin is a part of the larger 10 pence series that has been in circulation since 1968. What makes the 1995 edition unique is its design. On the reverse side, you'll find a beautiful depiction of a lion, the national animal of the United Kingdom, along with the denomination. Now, let's talk about its value. To get an idea of how much this coin can fetch in the heritage auction market, we need to consider a few factors. The first one is the coin's condition. Coins that are in pristine condition tend to command higher prices. That's right. The condition of a coin plays a crucial role in determining its value. If the 1995 10 pence coin is in an uncirculated or near uncirculated condition, it could be highly sought after by collectors and fetch a premium price. Absolutely. Another factor to consider is rarity. While the 1995 10 pence coin is not considered a rare coin in general, certain variations or errors can make it more valuable. For example, if you find a coin with a misprint or a specific mint mark, its value can increase significantly. To get a better understanding of the value of the UK 10 pence coin from 1995, let's take a look at recent heritage auction results. Recent sales range from $5,000 to $10,000 depending on the condition. Now, it's important to remember that auction prices can vary based on factors such as demand, rarity, and the overall condition of the coin.